Hey guys, it's me, Jerry Mellow Battaglia. We're out here in Long Island, New York, cleaning up this 69 LeMans. Pressure washing it. The floors are solid, the trunk's solid. Just want to show you what we're doing over here, guys. Check this out. And then we have some loud background noise with the pressure washer, but this car is going to clean up pretty good. Check it out. Some before and after. Brand new floors in the car, guys. Doors are good. Pretty cool. Off the road since 2004, last registered, but actually was in an auto body shop before that. Just sat and drive it for the last 18 years, but we're gonna clean this bad boy up. It will be for sale. And over here, here's the interior, front seat, back seat, some parts. Then over here, extra 3,000 parts here. And then over here is a rebuilt 400 motor that comes with the car. We're gonna find out what year it is. Guy didn't remember. Came out of a Firebird. But he said it was just $2,500 for the labor to put it together and get it machined. And everything is pretty awesome. So, guys, like and share this video with all the Pontiac friends that we have. And subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification to get updated on the current situation with the LeMans. And like and share this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Every day's a fun day with Jerry Mellow Battaglia finally comes to a close. Have a great day, guys.